What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Rockin' with the AP channel. How my good folks doing? Today I'm doing a Ryker video for my Ryker lovers. It's been a minute since I did one. I'm doing 0 to 100 miles per hour. And I also want to give you my review because I'm at 3,000 miles, almost to 4,000. And before we go to my grandma's house, she gonna get a couple shots on the freeway so y'all can hear how the exhaust sound. I love it. Sounds great. Again, I got the RLS exhaust, the Predator series. But yeah, y'all, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Y'all see I got the Ryker back there. Yeah, it's looking good and riding good. That's my baby right there. But yeah, y'all, I got my video recorder right here. She's gonna be recording. But y'all, make sure you stay tuned, all right?
Out. Riding and he just saw a group of guys on the side of the road, looked like they had some Ryker, so he pulled over and now they over there chopping it up. I think he got some Ryker crew in Tallahassee.
Alright, y'all, so we finally made it to my grandma's house. I hope y'all enjoyed the ride on the freeway. Exhaust sound amazing. Let me know what you think about it down below. Alex, I want y'all to do a vlog, man. Hold on, calm down. He down here all hyper and stuff. But yeah, y'all, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the exhaust. Like I said, I had a lot of fun on the freeway. But right now, I might have put this thing on the road. Well, it's like a little back road right now. So I'm be going 0 to 100 miles per hour for the first time. I'm put it in sports mode. When I was on the freeway, it wasn't in sports mode, but this time I'm gonna put it on sports mode, okay? So let me know what you think down below, and then after this, I'm going to give y'all my review of the bike, all right? And I also got the GoPro, all right? So y'all can see some footage when I'm on the bike, all right? So hope you enjoy. I'm about to go ahead and take off.
Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so my personal review of the Ryker, I enjoy it. I enjoy the ride more so anything. I don't think I would personally ever get my own bike, but me sitting back there on the little passenger seat, I enjoy it. I think it's very safe and secure. If you know of any of the Ryker guys out here who want to get that seat for the ladies or your woman or friends, I would, suggest getting the back seat so they can have something to lean back on. But if you didn't have that lean back, I wouldn't ride it.
Alright, y'all, so I just made it down here to the end. I'm about to do 0 to 100, alright? Let me know what you think.
Y'all, so I hear him. He coming back down the street. You said that, Audrey? Oh, there you go, y'all. can get a good slipper when he's coming down. Alright, y'all, so I think he about to come back down the other way. Oh, here he comes. I think I hear him.
I was going too fast. The thing done popped out. Man. Y'all was ride, man. Gotta pop the thing back in here now. Alright, y'all, just changed hands. So y'all can actually see how fast I'm going. Let's try this again.
That exhaust, you can hear it from miles away, I swear. Yeah, my reaction kind of late. Pulling back in, y'all.
Finally made it back, y'all. I don't know why this keep popping up. I don't know if I got it screwed on correctly or what. But it seems like when I'm going full speed, it pops out. I don't know why.
And what's that?
Yeah, I guess it's like with a little intake at, and also the oil. Yep.
Can you ride it?
Yeah, that was fun. Man, whew. Got me going right now. I'm up. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that. That's from 0 to 100. So let me go ahead and give you my review. All right. So I got about, let me see the exact miles on here. So right here, I got 3,882 miles. It rides good. I haven't had any issues with it other than squeaky brakes. So as you can see, my brakes right here are red. I had to get some aftermarket brakes because the stock market brakes was squeaking a whole lot. Even though these still squeak just a tad, little bit, you know, they're not squeaking as much as the ones that I had that was stock. So I had to get some aftermarket brakes. The handling is pretty good. No issues with that. Just don't drive crazy when you riding. You know, you try to make a sharp turn. Make sure you get the lean a little bit. My tires, they still good. As much spinning that I'm doing, it still got a lot of grip. So as you can see, they still look about brand new. I had this bike for about 7 months now. But yeah, like I mentioned before, I got the RLS exhaust. It's the Predator series. They have black and they have chrome. I think the black costs a little bit more. I rode on the freeway so you can see how it sounds. I heard they're supposed to get the oil change at 6,000 miles, but some people prefer to get it changed at around like 4,000 miles. So I think I'm gonna get that oil change pretty soon. When it's your first service, you get the full service. I guess they just check the whole bike, make sure everything is good, and then you get the oil change. The price of that is $300. I called them, I was like, dang, why is it so much? But I think after the full service, it's gonna be like 150, I think. The throttle is very, very sensitive, so you gotta be careful on it. So let me tell you what happened to me. I actually damaged my bike. So when I was on my bike one day, I was behind someone. I had my foot off the brake. So when I was looking back, I accidentally hit the throttle and I hit somebody in the back. But luckily, it wasn't nothing that was too bad. So right here, I have a little crack from when I hit them. And then also, let me show you on the inside the damage that it did. Yeah, so this piece right here broke off. Right here, the little clip, the clip on. So that's the only damage that it did. I went to the shop last week. They said the price to replace this would be $65. So luckily it's not that much. It's nothing but plastic, really. So so that's the damage I did. It wasn't no wreck, y'all. Like no bad wreck. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm also gonna get some blue lights, LED lights. These lights on here is kind of dull to me. So I want to get them like the same color here, LED, so they can be brighter. Also, I'm probably gonna get some lights to go in the back too. All you have is these lights back here, and I feel like it's not enough lights for when a car is behind you, they can see you. So they have some additional lights that you can add back here. I don't know what kind I'm gonna get yet. The braking is actually pretty good. I did like 60 miles per hour and then try to stop hard. It brakes really, really good. The trunk space right here, you don't have a lot of trunk space. You know, it's kind of small, but you know, you can put small things in here, whatever you may need. A lot of times when I need to carry more, I just have a bag on me. But they also have a little port right here where you can charge your cell phone up. So that's something that I thought was pretty cool. It gets very, very hot in here, so when you put your phone in here, be mindful of that. I really don't like to put my phone in here much because, like I said, for the simple fact it gets hot. So yeah, that's that. The foldable seat right here, I got this added on. This was like an additional like $600 some. My lady, she ride back there, she love it. It's pretty comfortable for the most part, but for like long distance, it's really not that comfortable because your butt started hurt. One last thing that I forgot to mention, the bike sits kind of low. So when you have a second person back here, be mindful of going over bumps or how fast you go over bumps. Because me and Alicia was riding and we went over a bump. Even though I wasn't going fast, it kind of hit the bottom up under here. So kind of be mindful of that. If you don't have a second person on here, still be mindful because the bike sits so low. So be careful when you get over bumps. And it also is hard to avoid potholes. It's really hard. Just try your best to avoid potholes if you can. I'm 5'11". I know some of y'all ask how tall I am, so it feels comfortable to me. So if you're 6 foot or taller, it may be kind of uncomfortable a little bit, but I suggest going to the dealer and see, you know, how you feel on it. Do a test drive, see if you're comfortable on it. So that's what I suggest to people that's tall. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit this like button, let me know what you think about the Ryker, let me know what you think about the exhaust. Until next time, peace out, baby.